Will, our drummer, is very hard to impress. Trust me. He said, this might be the best audience of all time. This is a good one. But, as he always does, he asks someone else to pass on the bad news. He just can't handle confrontation. So he said, Chris, can you ask them, please, one favor? And so this is what I'm going to ask you on behalf of Will, our drummer. He said this, he said they're the best audience of all time, but what if we asked to do one song together in Manchester, our last show at home in England for who knows how long? What if we asked, what if we asked to do one song without any phones, or without any cameras, or without anything electronic? Wouldn't that be amazing? And so, I ask you, on my knees, please trust me, this song is already on YouTube, a lot. You don't need to film it. So, let's try one song together, if you would, with no phones, no cameras, no Fitbits, no iPads, nothing. And this is what's going to happen. We're just going to be one big group together, and it's going to go crazy. And people are going to say, did you hear about that incredible event in Manchester where the whole stadium shook with joy? That's what's going to happen, okay? So, all you need for this song is your phone in your pocket, two hands in the sky. Your phone in your pocket, two hands in the sky.